हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू टुडेज़ वीडियो। एंड आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे अबाउट निफ्टी 50 एंड बैंक निफ्टी एंड कैसे हम ट्रेड कर सकते हैं फॉर द नेक्स्ट ट्रेडिंग डे। ओके, सो अगर लास्ट 2 डेज़ की बात करें, मंडे, ट्यूसडे एंड आज वेडनेसडे विच वाज एक्सपायरी बिकॉज कल हॉलीडे है। ओके, सो मंडे ट्यूसडे वाज मोस्टली कंसोलिडेशन। ओके, बट हायर टाइम फ्रेम पे इट्स कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट स्टोरी, बट हम वो बाद में बात करेंगे। बट यस, अगर इफ़ यू आर एन इंट्राडे ट्रेडर तो price was sideways. Okay, it was difficult for to take intraday trades there on Monday and Tuesday, and today was a really good trending market. Obviously expiry भी थी तो second half में there should be a trending day अगर previous day consolidation पे होता है। It's just my observation, ऐसा कुछ rule नहीं है ये। Okay, so what happened? First of all, if we talk about Monday and Tuesday, मंडे प्राइस एक रेंज में था, मेड अ न्यू हाई। ओके, ट्यूसडे वो हाई के नीचे ट्रेड करना चालू किया एंड देन वी स्विप लिक्विडिटी फ्रॉम प्रीवियस डे लो विच वाज आल्सो मंडे एंड फ्राइडे। सो प्रीवियस डे लो की लिक्विडिटी स्विप की प्राइस ने, एंड टुडे on Wednesday we had a really good change of character. Okay, एंड विद दैट चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर, ये 30 मिनट्स का टाइम फ्रेम है, प्राइस took a retest, okay, at this demand zone, took a retest at this demand zone, fill the gap, and then straight away zoom from there. Okay, the target was this today's swing high and Monday's swing high because those are the obvious area of where liquidity is lying. Okay, अगर छोटे टाइम फ्रेम पे जाके देखें तो हाउ कुड वी हैव टुक दिस ट्रेड। सो ये था वो 30 मिनट्स का टाइम फ्रेम। ओके, M30 लिख देता हूँ, M30, and this was the last swing high. This was the last swing high. Now if you want to take confirmation, ठीक है, if you are an aggressive trader directly वहाँ से आप लॉन्ग ट्रेड ले सकते हो, बट इफ यू आर एन एग्रेसिव ट्रेडर यू ऑलवेज हैव टू लुक फॉर अ कंफर्मेशन। ओके, विदाउट कंफर्मेशन देर इज नो नीड ऑफ टेकिंग दिस ट्रेड। यहाँ से प्राइस रिवर्स भी हो सकता था, वी डोंट नो। ऑलराइट, सो if you are not a risky trader, you can basically look for a confirmation. My confirmation was this break of this last swing high. Okay, let's check. Oh yeah, 15 minute, this was the last swing high, this was the last supply which created this red candle, and then we broke above that candle. If I draw a box from here to here, price broke above that candle. If you go on a lower time frame, I guess we took this trade on 3 minute time frame or so. Yeah, we broke above, give this breakout structure, that this was a demand area, a retest, entry, stop loss, and this was the target. Okay, now if you think this looks easy, but it's not. During the live market, the price mostly was showing rejection from this high. There is a way to confirm that it will not reject and it is a valid breakout structure that we learn in our mentorship program. But yes, this was the first trade. The second trade is here. We have another breakout structure. You have another breakout structure, the demand zone, retest to that demand area, and then price zoom from there. So this was clearly a manipulation. If you can see that price took out this zone and went below there, and then price went away from there. Okay, so but instead of using that, use fair value gap or that untested order block. Okay, so here is that untested order block above below that fair value gap. This is that order block. Instead of using an order block, you can simply use a fair value gap. Now if you see, we have already tested this fair value gap on 5-minute time frame. So to add up one more, or you can use a 3-minute time frame for that. You can play with different time frames to enter into this particular trade. Okay, but eventually this first trade was valid for me. This second trade was basically sort of a manipulation only. Okay, so what should we do next? Let's go on to the hourly time frame, and I'm looking at the swing high, which is around 17,200, and this is where was the last supply which created the swing low, swing low, swing high, swing low. Okay, so here if price sustain above this high, which is also near to this Monday's high, okay, then we may continue go to 17,200, and if we see some sort of rejection or a reversal, change of character, I will definitely look for a change of character to go short. Okay, but here I don't like see any swing low to consider that as a change of character. Obviously there should be a swing low, higher low, like this, to consider it as a change of character. There is nothing on 5-minute time frame, maybe on 3-minute time frame and 1-minute time frame, but not on 5-minute time frame. So if I want to go short, like this will be a very aggressive trade to take. If I want to go short, obviously price needs to come below that previous swing high, also break this swing low, which is around 17,080, and then I will look for a short trade from there. Okay, the target will be bet like this. Okay, or you can simply use the premium and discounted tool and exit your trades at discounted prices. Okay, short trade at discounted prices, but this is a really strong trend, so I won't recommend you to take a counter trend until and unless you see any higher time frame reversal. Okay, so that's it for Nifty 50. Let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is somewhat of a similar trend. Okay, in the morning I was looking at this zone right here, because that was the demand which created this high and also broke this previous high, and price eventually took a support over there. Okay, if you are an aggressive trader, you can directly take a trade out of there, or wait for a confirmation before taking that trade. Okay, you have to look for a last swing leg, so a swing low. This was that. Okay, extend this, price should break above it, your entry, your stop loss, and your target is this one. The second leg is basically out of range. If you are lucky enough, you caught this trade. For me, this trade is not valid. The second uptrend is not valid for me, because reason being, this is already been mitigated. ये already mitigate हो चुका है, so कोई reason नहीं बनता वहाँ से वापस trade लेने का. And अभी definitely price has aggressively went up to 14,000 40,000. So if I want to go long, or again wait for price to give us a pullback here, retest at 39,900 800 levels के आसपास, and वहाँ पे भी जाके I will not take aggressive trade obviously, and look for a confirmation, and the next target will be this swing high, which is around 40,100 कुछ और 150 पॉइंट्स का मूव यहाँ से आपको मिल सकता है. एंड द रीज़न बीइंग इज कि इम्बैलेंस है, इम्बैलेंस फिल होगी वहाँ से. And price, I think so. To be honest, there is a supply over here. Okay, supply over here. Price has already tested supply one time, and we saw this fall. All right, and again it will come and test this supply zone. Okay, so see, this imbalance has not been filled. We have an order block just above that fair value gap. So my thinking is it will tap at 40,300, and then it may fall down like this. And ये जो liquidity buildup हुआ है इसके नीचे, which is also inducement about this demand zone, may filled and tapped into it. Okay, so this is my view for next week. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel.